So good evening, everyone. Yeah, I'm sorry for joining late, sir, due to certain reason. Online team, can you hear me? Can I get a small response? Good, fine then. So thank you for confirming. Fine, sir. So how is week? So how is year end actually? Good, right? You enjoyed, right? Full day or else half day? Good. Even let me take it. End of this session, I will take couple of minutes to wish you actually. And but anyway, let me wish you happy new year, sir. I'm sure this 2024 should be, great blessings for you actually. In 2023, the great decision is learning cutting edge technology. I'm sure on this one. Okay, fine then. Let us start the session. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Sir, I still remember we are discussing about tuple data structure, right? Yeah, good. So I'm sure today we are going to close that one and we should enter into another topic actually. 25 and 01 John 2024. Good. 02, right? Sorry. 02. Yeah. Tuple data structure, set data structure, and the next one is the dictionary actually. We'll see. In tuple data structure, where are we exactly? Let me open the material. Don't worry, I will give a small revision. Yeah, I need your help. Where are we, sir? I'm sure Metro Sweden, I guess. When I'm entering here, I was not well. I requested you to take a break actually. And the today topic is a difference between list and tuple actually. Let me give a small reason, sir. Yeah, the first of all, data structure. The purpose of data structure is storing the data, processing the data. What is the purpose, sir? Storing the data, processing the data. Good. So whenever you are learning any data structure, prior to this one, we'll learn about the list data structure. We understand certain points like how to create, store, size, order, duplicate, immutable, index. These are all things actually. We can create a tuple by using a parenthesis symbol by using what exactly? Predefined function. A tuple can store same type of value. What exactly? Different type of value. A tuple insertion order is a fixed. Do you think I'm going speed actually? Yes, I'm going speed also. I know that one. Why? Because we already done this one actually. Am I right or not, sir? Right, good. Yeah. So insertion order is what exactly? Fixed. Duplicate elements are allowed. Immutable. Having what nature? Immutable nature. Storing, whenever you are storing the values, backend it is using indexing concept. What concept actually? Uh, uh, Whenever you are storing the value, it will store by using indexing. At the same time, indexing is helping to get the value. Indexing is helping to what exactly, sir? Getting the value. This point we'll understand later. Then should you go for the tuple data structure? In my project, I'm going to get a data. That data is not going to change over the period. It's a 10 interval time. I don't want to change the data. Then you're supposed to go for tuple data structure. You're supposed to go for what data structure? Tuple data structure. A kind of some weekday names we can store, month names, year names. These are all things we can store, sir. And the next one is tuple having same type of objects. And here we are trying to storing the same type of values. All or what type of values are integer actually. Surprise number one. Whenever you are storing a single value in a tuple, whenever you are storing what exactly? Single value in a tuple, that is not a tuple. That is not what exactly, sir? Tuple. Conclusion of the story. A single value tuple should end with what separator? Comma separator. Comma or semicolon? One more time, sir. Comma or semicolon? Good. And strings, integer. Surprise number two. Whenever you are creating a Let me tell you one point actually. It's a right time I need to tell this point. I hope I covered right, but still I need to continue one point actually. What is that point? Sir, did you remember there is a topic? The topic name is a function can return multiple values. Function can return what exactly? Assuming that we have written a function is returning 10 comma 20 comma 30, something like a three values it is returning. Left hand side, how many variables we need to write? Three variables. Four variables. How many variables you need to write? Four. But if you are writing single variable at left hand side, what type of data type did you remember? Tuple. Why? Because see, exactly written keyword assuming that like this, you are providing all values something like this actually. That's why function backend it is taking tuple data type actually. I'm noticing actually you guys not done practice about that example. Let me show you once. First of all, let me confirm that example. What is the first point you need to understand? Whenever you are creating a tuple, whenever you are creating a something like a tuple, parenthesis is optional, sir. Parenthesis is what exactly? Optional. Good. Let me print and let me check type of T. Good. Now execute this example. Demo 1.py. Go to desktop programs. All right. Open command prompt in the same location and you can run the example. Tim, are you getting, sir? Good. Now what exactly I done? I have created a tuple, but parenthesis is an what exactly? Optional. Good. Now take the same example. Can just try to keep it out here. Now, one day I told one point. What is the point? Functional programming language in a part number one. Let me write a function. That function name is a M1. What is that one actually? Function name is a M1. Written 10 comma. Yeah, let me just try to 10. A equals to M1. And let me just try to print what exactly? A. Good. What is my name of the function, sir? Tell me. M1. A function is returning a value. Then that function calling, we need to assign to variable. Then this value will get sprint where exactly? Inside this here. Then what is output actually? Tell me. 10. Very good. Now just try to come here. And if you want, you can check the type of A. What is output, sir? Do let me know. 10 actually. What is output actually? 10. Good. Just try to say. 10, the data type is what exactly? Did you remember? 10 comma 20 you can write. But here what you need to provide? A comma B we need to give. Am I right or not, sir? Then 10 will be captured by A, 20 will be captured by B. Now check the data actually exactly. You are going to get the same thing. Hey Daniel, let me give one more 30. Then here how many variables actually? Three variables. Instead of this, let me give only one variable. Let me give what exactly? Only one variable. What happened, A function is returning multiple value, no parenthesis. Can I say that one? Yes, all values are available, but there is no parenthesis. That's why it is returning tuple data structure. It is returning what exactly? If you want the same point I told, sir, hold on. This point I will cover someday actually. That is the reason. If values are just separated by using comma separator, seems to like a group of value, there is no parenthesis symbol. Then by default, tuple data structure will come. Which data structure, sir? Did you understand the relation actually? I'm sure. Very good. This point I didn't cover on Friday intentionally. Why? Because by this time you may done some revision actually. Online team, I need a kind response. Are you following actually? Mm-hmm. Sriram sir, we can give good question. Still we can give good question. You know, can I give A comma B so that it will be A and B will be 10 comma 20. If you wanted to provide A comma B, what you can provide, sir? Then this one you have to keep inside in parenthesis symbol, A comma B, like this is valid actually, right? But not recommended. We are not using that one actually. Let us continue the discussion. Come on, sir. Welcome back to the session. Surprise number two, parenthesis is an optional while creating a tuple. Different ways. Empty tuple we can create. These are all things we covered. Tuple with having group of values. Here parenthesis symbol, without parenthesis symbol. Heterogeneous values. We can create it by using what exactly, sir? Can somebody help me? Tuple function. We can create a tuple by using what exactly? tuple function. Here in this example, what exactly we are doing, we are converting list to tuple. We are converting what exactly? Converting one data type into another data type. This is also called as a typecasting. Also called as what exactly? Typecasting. Typecasting actually. Accessing values by using indexing, slicing, by using for loop. These are all things we can do. Indexing, slicing, not much important, sir. But repeating again, index is not important in Python. Index is very, very important in data analysis. We are entering into the pandas topic actually. On an average, within 3 to 4 sessions, we'll see accordingly. Their index is a very, very important. I will tell you what are all topics are important. Tuple having what nature? Immutable. Means once you created a tuple, we cannot. Why I'm doing revision, because we got a 2 days gap actually. You got what exactly? I will forget the topic. What about you actually? That's what I'm doing revision actually. Do you think I will forget? Just for you, I'm doing revision, sir. Math operator. Only two. Whenever you're working with the string list tuple, you can work with the two math operators actually. One is the plus operator, next one is star operator. Plus operator concatenates the string, star operator multiplying the values actually. Good. I'm sure you guys are in good repo actually. Yeah, length is a predefined function. By using this one, we can check the number of values present in what exactly, sir? Yeah, any sequence object actually. Now, let me give a small conclusion. By this time, what you need to understand, learning a Python is nothing but learning a functions and learning a methods. Let me give a conclusion, sir. Learning a Python is nothing but there is a common requirement. We do have a tuple data structure, sir. We do have what exactly? Tuple data structure. Without using length function, let me show you how to find out the length. I mean, these kind of questions are not much important actually, but let me tell you. Do let me know what is the length actually for this one. What is the length actually? 4. Good, good. Now, by looking at that one you are reading, assuming that here one function is helping, the function name is called as a len. What is that function name? Just a matter of 3 letters. But instead of this one, if you wanted to write your own code actually, you can write. How to write, L equals to 0 for value in, tell me sir, for value in t. Now L equals to L plus 1. And now let us just try to print, L value. And now just try to see this one, sir. I'm sure you no need to understand the code, what I'm writing actually. Wow, exactly. What is the result we are getting? 4 actually. Here, what exactly happening, how many values would you have? 4 values. I'm just trying to iterating for loop how many times? 4 times. I'm getting that count actually. I'm getting what exactly? Count. Something like, the counter value c equals to c plus 1. What exactly happened, boss here? Now just try to see here. Let me repeat one more time. First time, c value equals to 0. Always sum start from, countdown starts from where exactly? 0. That's what we have to take always. Whenever you're doing addition operation, you have to take a 0 actually. Come on. For value in t. What is the value, sir? 10. What is the value? As of now, I'm not using this value. It is okay. Then go to inside of this loop. C equals to, what is the C initial value, sir? 0. 0 plus 1, what is the result actually? 1. Then C value will be reinitialized with the 1 actually. Okay, coming to the second iteration. In a second iteration 20, C equals to, what is the old C value? 1. 1 plus 1, what is the result? 2. 2 will be reinitialized like this. Like that, keep on, it will go to here. How many times it is available, that many times value will be repeated actually. Now do let me know what is the result we are getting. Sir, seriously telling, do we need to write this much complex code actually to get the count, to get the length of value? No. What we need to do? Print what exactly? Yeah, length of what you need to do? See, that's what you need to understand. Learning Python is nothing. See, both is the same result. Which one is easy? Last one is easy or this one is easy, sir? That's what. Please requesting, focus more on predefined functions. What are all functions I am covering actually? Luckily, by God grace, predefined functions would you have. If there is no predefined function support, gone case, sir. We have to write each and every time the code actually. Best example, today I wanted to prepare the rice. To prepare the rice, go to dmod, get the rice back and prepare actually. Instead of going to farming field, I hope you got it, sir. What I'm telling actually. Exactly, this is something like a predefined stuff actually. Luckily, we do have a predefined functions. Are you getting what I'm saying? Good man. Let's take this one. Please focus. All right, all right. In another few minutes, we are entering into the actual session. Another few minutes. Is my voice is echo? No, I guess. Let us continue, please. Yeah, methods in tuple data structure. I'm sorry, sir. We already covered these are all discussion. There are two methods. Yeah, I didn't run these examples. Count method as usual. The count is available in string class and list class. At the same time, tuple class also. At the same time, what exactly? Tuple class also it is available. It is fine actually. Previously, one student asked one question. What is the question? Array Daniel, str class. These are all classes. These are all what exactly? Classes. What is the first class name? Tell me. Str. And second class name is a list. Next one is a tuple. And there is a one common method. What is that common method name? Count. And here also count. And here also count. Then one student asked a question. It is invalid, he is telling. No, sir. Why you are thinking it is invalid actually? It is valid. What they're thinking is they have given the same name in all classes actually. If you want, just try to come here. Assuming that families. This is my brother family, sir. Prasad Kumar family. This is Daniel family. My brother got a son, and I also got a son actually. My brother's son name is, tell me, Daniel, and my son name is what exactly? Like a small Daniel. What is that one actually? 1 minute, sir. You may get a confusion. Come again. Daniel 2. Fine, sir. Junior. Okay. Junior Daniel. Junior Daniel. And here also, I am giving the same name for my son actually. Junior Daniel. Do you have any problem? Yeah. Conclusion of the story, you need to understand it is okay. Why? Because count method belongs to string class. Count method is also belongs to what exactly? List class. Valid. Scenario is valid actually. You have to, don't think too much. This is absolutely fine actually. All right. Next one is the index. We are not using this one. There is a specific value. I wanted to get the index for this specific value. Then you need to call a method. Method name is what exactly? Index. So now we are entering into the most important topic in a Python programming language. The topic name is what exactly? Difference between list and tuple. The most frequent asked interview question actually. It is a very, very important discussion. Kindly please focus on this one. Sir, can we close that door? I'm sensing some sound actually. Online team, hold on, sir. Is it fine for you? Hmm. Hmm. Understand this one. Now, exactly we are finding what is the difference between list and tuple. Very, very important interview question. Please focus on this. List and tuple exactly same except small difference. There is a small difference would have. List objects are mutable in nature. Tuple objects are having simple. Both cases, these are all similarity in the sense what exactly is same, both are having the same nature. Insertion order is preserved, also fixed. Duplicate objects are allowed, heterogeneous objects are allowed, index and slicing is supporting. Of course, homogeneous also you can write actually. The point is, if you understand the topic, you yourself can write the points actually. It is a very simple. I am repeating one more time. Now let me explain practically. List is a group of comma separated values within the square brackets, and square brackets are what exactly? You know why I'm writing this point here actually? Why? Because for a tuple, it is an optional. That's what I wanted to write here. Whenever you are creating a list, ensure that square bracket is a mandate. Square bracket is what exactly, sir? Mandatory. Tuple is a group of comma separated values within the parenthesis, and parenthesis is what exactly? Optional. Yes. Team, are you with me? Good man. Next one. List objects are mutable in nature. Means once you created a list object, we can perform any changes over the object. Am I right or not, sir? Hey, I of 0, what I of 1. What is I of 1 actually? 0, 1, 20 value. I don't want I of 1 value is at 20. Can I replace with the 70? You can replace, sir. You can replace actually, right? This is something like, let us think about IRCTC. Seat number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seats actually. Suddenly, some person cancel the ticket. Suddenly some person, what exactly? Cancelled it. Do you think that seat is empty actually? One more person will come and that seat will be allocated to other guy actually. You have to think like that, right? Tuple objects are in immutable nature. Once we create a tuple object, then we cannot change in what exactly? Content. Yeah. If the content is not fixed and keep on changing, then we should go for what exactly, sir? List data structure. If the content is fixed and never change, then we should go for what exactly? Tuple data structure. Good. Let me tell you. When I was working in Bangalore, so one day suddenly one madam called me actually. One respected ma'am called me, and generally if I didn't pick the first call, if I get a second attempt, I will pick the call. Actually, I was in office meeting. That madam almost 2 to 3 times called actually. Then immediately I thought some emergency, then let me pick the call. Then immediately she told, just the moment when she called, she came out of for the interview actually, and she told, hey Daniel, tuple is mutable or immutable? She cross questioned actually. What she asked, tell me. Tuple is mutable or immutable? I thought like maybe madam is missing the tuple data structure. That's what she is asking actually. Then I reply. What is my reply? Tell me. Nice, sir. Same thing. Like more confident, I replied actually immutable. Then madam told, no, it is mutable. It is what exactly? Mutable. I surprised her. I should not ignore. Generally, my discussion will be. I always talk in a very cool manner. Actually, I told, oh ma'am, I'm sorry for saying tuple having immutable nature. Can you please prove me practically? Then she told, wait for 5 minutes. I will share one example actually. What she shared, look at me. Focus on this one. Value equals to 10, 20, 30, list 40, 50, 60. 40, 50, what exactly? 60. Good. Do let me know. Let me print these values. And let me print what exactly, values. And let me print what exactly? Values. I hope you know what exactly I'm trying to say. Value of 0. What is the result, sir? Any idea? 0, 1, 2, 3. Can somebody help me? Value of 3. What is the result actually? Yeah, that point. Exactly, madam told, Array Daniel, my conclusion will be, I told, ma'am, you know, you cannot change this value because this 10 is belongs to tuple. You cannot change this value because this 20 belongs to tuple, 30 belongs to tuple. You can change 40. Why? That point you need to understand. But it doesn't mean tuple is changing. Sir, am I right or not? Conclusion of the point we have to understand. Array boss, if you want, you can prove me practically, change the 30. Change what exactly? 30. Highly impossible. But we can change what exactly? If you're trying to changing 40, do you think you are touching the tuple actually? No. You are touching what exactly? List data structure. Conclusion of the story, a tuple is capable to store list of values. To store what values, sir? Let me show you practically. Very good question. Seriously, I appreciate that day, the madam question actually. Yeah, just try to see. All values we are printing. Values of 0, 10 we are getting printing. And values of 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. At third position, all values are we are getting actually. Sir, can I ask a question? I wanted to access only this 40. How to access actually? 3 of? Very nice, man. Now, good, good. Now take this example. Then I convinced madam to, oh, like that. She told actually. Yes, ma'am. Like that I replied actually. Now values of what exactly, sir? Can somebody help me? 40. Now, if you wanted to change, what we need to do, come here, and here instead of 40, let me give something like this. Now, exactly you can print all these values, sir. This is seriously interesting. Please observe my discussion actually. Wow. Seriously, very good. Yeah, 40 is replaced with what exactly? 99. Are you getting? Are you getting or not, sir? 0 I can provide 40. 1 I can provide 50. 2 I can provide 60. Can I provide 3? Can I provide 3 here actually? No, very good. Nice, nice. Hope you got it. Exactly that day. After she told actually, immediately I opened my document and I updated my document with this example actually. Otherwise, one more boss may call me and they may ask some kind of question actually. Good. Can I add a element to this tuple? Any one of you may ask a question during interview. Instead of directly asking, they can ask a question. Can I add elements to this tuple? Yes, we can add element to what exactly I'm telling list in a tuple. That word is important. What is that? List in a tuple. Good. in second index position 0, 1, 2. Okay, in second index position, list is available. To that we can add actually. If you want, you can add value for this one actually. Seriously, very good, sir. T of 2 is a listed data structure. Can I add a value? You can add, sir. There is a method. What is that method name actually? Append method. You can call append of 77. Then automatically the value is getting bidding adding actually. Are you getting? Good man. Hope you understand. Online team, I hope you understand, sir. Can I get a response, please? Arati, we can write. Good question. We can write actually. Yeah, we done with the tuple data structure, sir. Now let me move on into the next topic. The topic name is a set data structure. Sir, anything is pending from my side, either material or anything running nodes pending, right? No pending, right? Seems to be I uploaded all Python material like this. Am I right? Good, good. Now let me change the status here. Now I would like to say this is the running topic. And after this one, what is the next topic name? Let's move to the dictionary data structure. Dictionary data structure. 20. What is the 20 topic? No, sir. Yeah, yeah. Object oriented programming. Oops. The topic name is a object oriented programming. This is also called as a oops. What is the topic name, sir? Oops, actually. You can still call as a oops. Maybe this is the last topic in a Python. And yes, exception handling, database connectivity. I will explain during data analysis. During what analysis actually? Data analysis. But these are all more than enough to understand upcoming topics. Sir, since a long time, can you read the error names? Tell me. Syntax error, name error, value error, type error, indentation error, index error, attribute error, module not found error. Any new error? No, right? If did you find out any new error? Which error, sir? It's okay. If any new error, you can text over the group actually. I will help you on what scenario. But still, would you have a separate document? That explanation will be on which error and what scenario. Would have a separate document actually. Good. Sir, list of the functions also. One time, quickly. Print, type, range, input, init, float, list, tuple, set, dictionary, dir, sum, map, filter. Perfect, man. I'm sure by this time you understand list, tuple, set actually. Maybe today you are going to understand dictionary also. Dir also, I hope you understand. Am I right or not, sir? Good, good. Nice, very nice actually. Now let us continue. Set data structure. Set data structure. Let us continue. Please focus this. It is very easy, sir. We can close within 30 minutes actually. Very easy. Very easy. Set data structure. I hope you know the pattern. On an average, whenever you're discussing about any data structure, I'm not in a hurry to close, but let me follow, kindly please follow the discussion. We can create a set data structure with curly brace. With what exactly? Curly brace. And one more point will be curly brace with values. That word is important, man. Curly brace with what exactly? Value. I will tell you why values. I mean to say that here, at least you need to provide 10 comma 20, something like that. Hey, I will not create anything. I will make it empty. There is a suspense. I will tell you. Right? Curly brace with what exactly, sir? Yeah, values. This curly brace is also called as a flower braces. What is that one? Flower braces. Good. We can create a set data structure by using set predefined function also. By using what exactly, sir? Set predefined function. Right. Let me show you practically. Come on, very quickly. Very quickly. Let me show you. Yeah, yeah. Divya, you're right. S equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of Yes. What is it? How to check the data type, sir? Type of, yes, cool. Let's run this one very quickly. Yeah, exactly. 40, 10. I mean, whenever you are working with the set data structure, don't expect the order, sir. Don't expect what exactly? Order. Order is not fixed actually. Order. Set data structure values can be dance here and there, something like, I hope you're getting, sir. But when it comes to list data structure, insertion order is a fixed. I hope you know that one. Right, good. Take this one and you can just try to add here. Move on to the next one. Come on, very easy. Please focus. Please focus actually. And what is the second point? What is the second point? Storing the value. What value? Storing the value. We'll see. And here, when it comes to know here, store. What kind of values it can store? Sir, same type of values it can store. What exactly? Same type of values it can store. And next one is a different type of values also. Different what exactly? Type of values also. Good. If you want, now just try to come here. Same type of values I already explained actually. Now just try to come here. This is called as a heterogeneous values. What values are heterogeneous values? Cool. It is being getting executing actually. The first point is we can create a set data structure by using flower braces, also called as a curly braces. Set predefined function I can cover later. Storing the value. We can store the values. Same type of values we can store, sir. And at the same time, different type of values also we can store. That is the second point. What is the third one actually? Size. What is the third one? Size. Now just try to come here. Let us make it second one is the size. Always somewhat good to read actually. No, sir. Third one only. Good, good. Hold on. Third. Size. Size having dynamic nature. What nature? Dynamic nature. Means, tell me, sir. It will increase. It will what exactly? Increase dynamically. I mean to say that size is not fixed. Sir, we do have a mainly four data structures. How many data structures? Four data structure. For these four data structures, only tuple is the size is fixed. Only what exactly? Tuple. When you're talking about the list, set, dictionary, size is a dynamic. Size is what exactly, sir? Dynamic actually. If you want, I will make a note, small note also here actually. Let me just try to talk about here actually. Good. So mutable. Next one is what exactly? Immutable. Good. Under mutable, list will come. Next one is a set will come. Next one is a dictionary will come. Good. Sir, under immutable, what all things will come? Any idea? Come on, sir. What is the first one? Tuple. Next one is a? Yeah, very good. Next one is what exactly? You might not have a range also, but not important. You don't need to make a list about the range also. These are all actually good. Next one is I'm talking about the size. I'm talking about what exactly? Size actually. First one is, increase, not increase. Will increase. And what is the next one? Not increase. Not increase. For what are all data structures it will increase? Any idea? The first one is a list data structure size will increase. Set data structure size will increase. Dictionary also size will increase. What is the next one, sir? Tuple. Why? Because it is fixed. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you're getting right. Size is fixed actually. I will make a difference like this so that you can easy to understand. Here I'm talking about, yeah. Good, good. Cool, cool. Let's move on. Let's move on. There are 3 points I covered: how to create, how to store, and what is the size actually. Move on to the next point. Sir, are you getting right? Good, good. In set insertion order is what exactly? Not fixed. I hope we have seen this point many times, man. Fourth point is what exactly? Insertion order. What order? Insertion order is not fixed, sir. Is what exactly? Not fixed actually. It is not fixed. But when it comes to no, tell me, list and tuple insertion order is a fixed. Good. Come on. Let us make a small difference. Insertion order. Insertion order. These points you have to work out, sir. First one is a fixed. Next one is what exactly? Not fixed. Good, good, good. Ah, what are all fixed? Can somebody help me? The insertion order is a fixed. List is fixed, sir. Next one is a tuple is fixed. What are all not fixed? Any idea? Set and next one is a dictionary also. Dictionary also. This is the very, very important point we have to catch. 1 minute, please. Yeah. All right. So back to the session. Online team, I'm sorry. So due to admin came actually in between. That's what I paused the session. We are in the flow. I like the flow, man. Come on, come on, come on. What is the first one actually? Creating. Next one is a storing. Next one is size actually. And next one is what exactly? Insertion order. Come on, tell me. Insertion order is a not fixed. One more time. Not fixed actually. Means if you are inserting 10, 20, 30, 40, the elements we cannot give order. How exact it is inserting, how exact it is displaying, something like that actually. Are you getting or not, sir? This is something like there is a theater. There is what exactly? Theater. Movie is going on, and the management is planning to give it tickets actually. Management is planning to give what exactly? Movie tickets. But for the ticket there is no number. Ticket what exactly? There is no number. If there is no number, do let me know what is a cinema. Where are all seats is available? Go and sit actually. This is called as a set data structure. First type of theater. Let us take second type of theater. In a way to multiplex. Something like there is a, so there is a theater is available. In that theater, in every ticket, seat number is available. What is available? Sir, that is called as a list data structure. That is called as what exactly? Insertion order is a fixed. You are four people. One, two, three, four. Four seats are available. Go and sit in what exactly? Four seats only. Something like that. And next one is what exactly, sir? Duplicate elements are not allowed. Wow, interesting point. This you need to catch actually. Come here. Step number 5. Duplicate. Duplicate. What is this point, sir? Cannot store actually. Cannot store. Duplicate what exactly? Can. Do you wanted to see practically? No much discussion. 10, 20, 30. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So see, keep a roll. 10 many times it is available. If you want, save this example. All right, just try to see. But still, how many values would you have, sir? 10, 20, 30. Hey, there is important interview question here. Let me repeat one more time. Set data structure will not allow duplicates, will not allow what exactly? But it doesn't mean, what I mean to say that, sir, set will not allow duplicates, that is okay. But you can still try to insert actually. It doesn't mean whenever you are inserting, though it will not allow, it will throw the error. It never throw the error. That point you need to catch actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Set a data structure, duplicates it will not allow. I mean to say that, sir, if you want, you can provide the duplicates, that is okay. But whenever backend actual set data structure is creating, it will simply apply one flag actually. What is that flag? If this value is already available, then ignore this value. That flag is nothing but a Boolean value. What value actually? Boolean value. Team, I hope you're getting, sir. Yeah, good. Take this one. Please follow the session nicely, man. I need your support actually. All right. Yeah, mutable nature. What nature? Mutable nature. Good. Now just try to come here. The next point is sir, read everyone. What are the points we covered actually? What is the first one? Creating, storing, size, insertion order, duplicates. One more time, man. Creating, storing, size, insertion order, duplicate. What is the sixth point? Yeah, indexing. Not indexing, man. Huh? What is it? Mutable. Yeah. I'm sorry. Mutable. Yes. Set having mutable nature. What nature, sir? Mutable nature, actually. Mutable nature. Good. Now just try to come here. What do you mean by that? Once you created a set data structure, once you created what exactly set data structure, if you want, you can add the value. If you want, you can add what exactly? Value. Let me tell you. In a set data structure, if you want, you can add the value. How to add a value? There is in a list, what is the method name? One more time. Last time. Good. But in set data structure, one more method would we have. That method name is a add method. What is that method name, sir? Damn sure interview question. What they will ask, they will ask, if I'm taking interview, I will ask a question, sir, to add a value in list data structure, method name is the add. Am I right? I will cross question like that actually. What you will respond? Because you are Daniel student actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. I hope you understand. Now let us just try to provide 50 value. Let me just try to print these are all values, man. Now just try to see. Get ready. I'm going to ask one more question. Seriously interesting. 50 is adding actually. But can I give a guarantee the value is going to add at last actually? No. But in list data structure, you can give a guarantee. Good. One more point what you need to understand, Hold on, hold on. Instead of add method, instead of what method actually? Add method. If I'm using append method, if I'm using what method actually? Append method. Can somebody tell me error name? Very good, sir. One more time. Last time. If method name is wrong, whenever you are calling the method by using object, if method name is wrong, then you will get a attribute error. What error actually? Attribute error. Now just try to come here actually. Wow, seriously very good. Before running the program, you are telling the error means seriously very good actually. Did I listed out this one actually? Is that error name is available in our list? Good. If it is available, seriously very good. If it is not available, let me add actually. Yeah, it is available. Where on which topic we added any idea? Nice, nice. You are in the flow actually. Set having mutable nature. Last one is what exactly? Indexing. No, set will not support. Set will not support. Support indexing and a slice. Sir, if there is no indexing, then you know what exactly? There is no slicing also. There is no what exactly? Now let me reveal the truth actually. Let me reveal one small secret. What is the secret, Sir, where there is a insertion order, there is a indexing concept. There is what concept actually? Indexing concept. Where there is no insertion order, there is no point of what exactly? Indexing actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Now let me reveal point actually. Now just try to come here. Come on, come on. Please make a note. Important actually. I will highlight one more time. Just try to come here and you can take it out like this and S of 0. Sir, what is the value? Tell me. 10. Why? Because list having, first of all, list having the nature of insertion order is a fixed. Where there is a insertion order is fixed, then automatically it will support indexing topics. Sir, what topic actually? Indexing topic. Are you getting? Good, man. Now take this one and you can just try to add here actually. It's a right time I wanted to reveal the small point actually. Let us just simply it will convert into flower braces, man. Flower braces actually. Now tell me, is it valid actually, sir? No, it is telling set object is not what exactly? Subscriptable. I mean to say that backend, the technical term is called as a subscription, a kind of some subscriptable. Invalid, sir. You cannot access set with the, indexing topic. Set with what topic actually? Indexing topic. Now here I wanted to cover one point. What is that point, sir? Kind note actually. If any data structure having insertion order is, I mean having the nature, if any data structure follows insertion order, then that data structure having what nature, indexing nature. Good. Same thing. I just wanted to apply reverse actually. Can somebody help me? What are the examples, man? Sir, I will cry. New Year, will you make me to cry actually? Tell me list next one is a double. Then why you're not responding? Good. If any data structure is not following, is not having insertion order nature. I'm sorry, I'm very weak in grammar actually. Nature, then the data structure having, the data structure don't have indexing and what exactly? Slicing. I will always use a simple and simple English, sir. Simple English actually. All right. I hope we done these are all discussion actually. Are you getting what I'm saying? Go back. Let me read with very big sound, man. Come on, get ready. There are total 7 points we covered actually. Tell me what is the first one? Creating, storing, size, insertion order. duplicates, mutable index. Very good. I hope you understand. Let us move on with the discussion. Set is a predefined class. This point I can hold, sir. You might notice one thing, the same point list we do have, tuple we do have, set we do have, think logically, dictionary also we are going to have. Yeah, one of our teammate is telling string also we do have. Why I'm holding this point, why? Because here there is a topic, the topic name is a class. If you don't know what is a class, you may not understand this topic, sir. Intentionally, I'm adding this point, I'm holding actually. Why? Because once we're done with the object oriented programming language, then this point will be revealed for you. You can easy to understand. That's what I'm holding this point. Later I can discuss. Insights, why you are looking dull? Are you fine? Are you fine, sir? Good, good. Inside set, every object can separated with what exactly? Comma separator. When should we go for the set data structure? Yeah, good. Sir, if you wanted to represent a group of unique values as a single entity, then we should go for what exactly? Set data structure. Something like this. Set cannot store duplicate value. Insertion order is what exactly? Not fixed. We can create a set by using curly brace and all values separated by using previously covered right here. Maybe, yeah, hold on. Creating a set by using same type of value. This is the valid example, sir. This one also valid actually. Tell me, this is a different type of value. Set range. Come on, come on, come on. One more point. We can create a set by using, yeah, set predefined function also. Good. S equals to, yeah, good. So please, I'm sorry, man. Set of parameter. Now, hey, Daniel, I do have a list. I do have what exactly? List. I wanted to convert a list into set. That is a point number one. Otherwise, I would like to create a set data structure by using a set function. By using what exactly? We can create actually. But there is a one serious condition. What is that serious condition? Sir? For set function here, you should provide the parameter as a sequence object. What object actually? Otherwise, you will get an error. Otherwise, you will get what exactly? Error actually. Now, let us make it. This one is the P. And now, can somebody help me? Say yes, actually. If you want, you can print yes, and you can print what exactly? P also. Exactly valid. Are you getting or not, sir? Now, do you think this is valid actually? I mean to say that this P should be sequence object. P should be what exactly? Sequence object. It can be list, tuple, string also. List, tuple, what exactly? String also. Let me drink water, sir. Just to give me a couple of minutes, please. Yeah, we done these are all, man. Hmm. Come on, you can walk through these are all points actually. Hey boss, very, very important interview discussion. Please focus. Very, very important actually. Please don't sleep during this discussion. A, B, C, D equals to. Let me create A and type of A. Same thing like that. All right. Let me create what exactly, sir? B, C. Next one is a D. Good. And here is a B, C, D. Good. Sir, what I done, let me tell you. The first one, empty list is possible. What exactly? Empty list possible. Next one is the empty tuple is possible. Empty tuple is what exactly? Possible. Conclusion of the story. You may ask a question. Hey, Daniel, square brackets, I'm not giving anything. Empty list. Parenthesis, I'm not giving. Empty tuple. Sir, curly braces, don't make it empty. If you are making empty, by default, let me tell you one point actually. Let me tell you. What is this one actually? Can somebody help me? Can I say this is curly brace? What is this one, sir? Curly brace actually. Curly braces you can use in Python for two purposes. I'm repeating one more time. Curly brace we can use in Python for two purposes. The first one is we can create set data structure. You can create what exactly? Sir, we can also create dictionary data structure as well. What data structure actually? Dictionary data structure as well. I'm repeating again. Don't worry as of now. What is a dictionary? Don't get a panic actually. I will cover that point. Curly brace. In Python, there is a two purpose actually. First purpose, sir, you can create a set data structure. Till now, I wrote the same thing actually. Second one also is possible. What is the second one? By using the same symbol, by using what exactly? Same symbol, you can create a dictionary data structure as well. You can create what exactly? Dictionary data structure as well. Now, whenever you are giving empty curly brace, empty empty bracket, something like this, by default, dictionary will dominate actually. By default, which one will dominate actually? Dictionary data structure. According to the my discussion, yeah, what is this one? Sir, tell me. List. B, what is this one? C, what is this one? Tell me. Dictionary. D, what is this one? Dictionary. There are list tuple two dictionaries. How many dictionaries, sir? Two dictionaries. But you may ask a question. Are Daniel? The third one I'm expecting set empty set data structure. Empty list is possible, empty tuple is possible, empty dictionary is possible. Can you show me how to create empty set data structure? Sir, I will show you, sir. Why you are worrying actually? Hold on, I will show you. If you wanted to create a empty set data structure, the requirement is, sir, tell me how many ways we can create a set actually. First one, curly brace. Next one is a, sir, that's what I told. Whenever you are creating a set data structure, curly braces with values. With what exactly? Did you remember? Go back and read that point actually. Whenever you are creating set data structure, curly brace with what exactly? Values. If you're not providing values, what happened? Dictionary. That point you need to catch actually, right? V1 comma V2 values. V1 comma what exactly? V2. Now just try to come here. Cool. And here come here and set, you can make it empty, sir. Now this is absolutely valid. Now you have to observe this one actually. This is seriously good. Yeah. Empty list we can create empty square brackets. Empty tuple you can create with empty parenthesis. Empty set I can create by using set function. By using what function? Set function. Empty dictionary I can create by using a curly brace actually. Guys, are you getting, sir? Good, cool. Very easy. This topic is a just a biscuit, sir. Very easy actually. Ah, you may ask a question. When real time will start? Good point actually. Few of you guys are already asking a question. Sir, your name? Srinath. Yeah, few working employees would have actually. And they knows very well like what exactly we are covering. Once we started, not only Srinath, the 2 to 3 members would have actually. Once we entered into the data analysis, I'm sure you can completely see real time only. Every example is a real time only. Once we have to done with the Python. Why Python? Why we supposed to close the Python? Data analysis, machine learning, deep learning. Sir, once after Python, the total topics is belongs to the Python only. Let me tell you, like a length, how we do have a predefined function. In a machine learning, it having its own predefined function. If you don't know what is a function, how to create a function in Python, then how you can understand in a machine learning function actually? Guys, are you getting? So conclusion of the story, be strong in Python. Sir, frankly speaking, let me tell you a small story actually. This is not a story, exactly it is what exactly happened. Let me tell you, let me give you. Can I explain? Can I take 2 minutes actually? You're fine. Sheila, good point. Would you have a separate methods? Good question, Sheila ma'am. Ma'am, this is a good question. What you're asking, Alright, Daniel, if I wanted to add, remove access by using a specific index, then can we do this one actually? By index, it is not possible, not possible. But by using, methods, it is possible. What it is possible? Methods, it is possible actually. I will show you step by step. Let us continue with the session. Good question. Cool. Okay, Srikant sir. Nice question. What Srikanth sir is telling, Are Daniel, do you think same syntax we applied in? Good question, sir. Let me apply here. Even I didn't try. Good. I hope it is set only. Otherwise, Stack Overflow, it might be a very big question actually, I guess. It no need to be end with the comma separator. I'm sure. Valid actually. Srikanth sir, I hope you got it. Okay, like we tried into, yeah. I mean, so here comma separator is not required. Comma separator is what exactly? Not required. Come on, let us move on. Where are we? Empty set. I'm sure we covered. We can create a, sir, are you with me? Good. We can create empty set. While creating empty set, compulsory we should use set function. Compulsory, I kind of some, mandatory we have to use actually. Tuple bins 10, show class stry. Come again. Type bin binary. Divya ma'am, we are not using that one actually in real time. Not only this one, we do have other data types, byte, bytes actually. We do have other data types. We are not using boss. And as of now, I'm ignoring the discussion. Let us move on to the discussion. If you didn't, yeah, when it comes to data types, like a complex is a data type, we are not using literally any data science. And bytes, we do have a data type. Byte, we do have a data type. I do have a good experience in a Python. These are all things, byte array. These are all things we are not using. What is required, that's what I'm covering actually. Keep in mind that. Yes, good. Yeah, we can create empty set and length function. Come on, sir, as usual. What is important discussion here, I hope I already covered actually 10, 20, 30, 40. Now this is what exactly, sir. Length of length of what exactly? Yeah, let us just try to print this one. Can somebody tell me what is output, sir? 4. Yeah, valid question. 10, 10, 10. What is the result actually? 4 actually. I hope you understand. Why 4 actually, sir? Please remember, during interview, here you can deliver, but during interview you have to deliver actually. Why? Because that is that point you need to catch actually. Next one, methods in set data structure. The same topic we covered in what exactly? Methods in str class, methods in list class, methods in set class, tuple class, methods in set class. These are all things actually. Get ready. The same topic I'm going to discuss in what exactly? Dictionary also. Intentionally, I'm maintaining same heading. Why? Because the connectivity. You can feel very easy. Hey, I already know this topic actually. That is seriously very interesting. You can't believe the same heading you are going to see more than 10 times actually. More than what exactly? 10 times. Are you getting, sir? Good. Methods in set data structure. Yeah. Tell me the 2 points I wanted to hear from you. What is the 2 points? First one is a set is a predefined class. Okay. Tell me what is the next point? Very good, sir. Generally speaking, this is my. Tell me. Class contains methods. Contains what exactly? Methods. Very good. Now you need to understand. Set is a predefined class. DIR predefined function. What is that one actually, sir? DIR predefined function. It is written in 2 types of method. First type of method will be with underscore symbol, with underscore methods. Next one is what exactly? Without underscore method. Sir, do I need to explain total so the actual? Like we can create a Python program in 3 ways. First one is a procedure oriented. Second one is function oriented. Third one is, we already covered these are all not required actually. With underscore symbol. Is it required? You can ignore, sir. Not at all required actually. With underscore symbol. Is it required? Required actually. It is very, very important. Please focus. Walk through this theory. As discussed, set is a predefined class. So set class can contain methods because methods can be created inside of what exactly, sir? Class. We can check these methods by using dir predefined function. What function? Dir predefined. So internally, set class contains 2 types of method with underscore symbols, without underscore symbols. These are all important methods, sir. First one is a add. Next one, clear. Next one, remove. Come on, come on, come on. Important point. You can ignore. Ignore in the sense we can cover this one later. Yeah, add, remove, clear. Add is a predefined method. We should You cannot use we can. We cannot use what exactly? We can. We can in the sense there may be other alternative actually. No alternative. Inside class, if you wanted to access the methods, are definitely object is required. What is required actually? No alternative. Keep in mind that actually. Right? So that point I can cover later. Inside class, if there is a method, that method we should access by using object, by using what exactly? Object actually. This method adds element to the set. This method adds what exactly? Elements to the set. S equals to 10, 20, 30, S dot add of 40. Can you tell this is the, it is adding it first actually. Can you tell that point? No guarantee. Am I right or not, sir? Do you want to execute this example? Oh, cool. Really very cool. Next one, remove method. What method? Remove method. Sir, by using remove method, we can remove the value. We can remove what exactly? Value. Remove is a predefined method in set class. We should access this method by using set object. This method removes specific value from the set. If the specific value is not available in the set, then we'll get a key error. We'll get what error? Interesting. And what is a key? We will understand in a dictionary data structure. What is that one? Dictionary. Let me execute this example. Come on, Cole. You thought like I will ignore that example, but let me add, sir. Let me just try to, just try to come here. Print of A, A dot append or add, sir. My hand always going on. Yeah, good. Before adding, after adding, before adding, can you tell the order actually? Can you tell the order? But at least values tell me. Yeah, very good. That point you need to catch. 10, 20, 30. And value is what exactly? 40, 10, 20, 30. Yeah, now good point. You may ask a question. Hey, Daniel, what is insertion order actually? Tell me. 10, 20, 30. But what is output order also? 10, 20. Can somebody tell me? 10, 20, 30. But let me tell you, no guarantee. No guarantee. No guarantee in the sense, now it is came actually. Now the time is what exactly? 6 for 34. But if you want, you can run this example after 1 hour. We cannot give a guarantee. Conclusion of the story, same example. I mean to say that set having no nature of insertion order is what exactly, sir? Not fixed. Are you getting? Good man. Coding is very easy, sir. Try to be strong in a fundamental. Be strong in fundamental. Simple. Yeah. Hey, Daniel, can I remove the value? What value you wanted to remove, sir? 30 value I wanted to remove. Yes, you can remove. Before removing 10, 20, 30. After removed, what is the value? 10, 20. Cool. Get ready. Let me ask you a question. What is output? Tell me, sir. Good. Nice. Let's move on. Let me delete which is not available. 99. Is 99 is available? Then we'll get what error, Let me list out this error. Yeah, new error, sir. What error actually? Key error. Let us list out this one. What is a key error I can deliver during dictionary data structure? Dictionary data structure. One error added actually here. Let me add here. Sir, this is serious. The order is really good actually. The order is really good. I know which error I wanted to add actually. 5. This one is a 6, 7, 8. Perfect. A good man. Can somebody tell me what is the first one? Key error. Next one is a value error. One more time. Key error, value error. Why I added here? There is a reason. Once I entered into the dictionary, then only you will understand. Yeah. Important man. Now just try to come here. You can apply a method. That method name is a clear. That method name is what exactly? Clear actually. Tell me, sir. It will clear all values. Then you will get what exactly? Empty set. Am I right or not? Empty set means, do you think this one actually? What you are going to get? Yeah, exactly. That point you need to catch. This is a very interesting point actually. Why we are getting set of parentheses? Tell me. Because empty set representation is what exactly? Set function. Empty set representation is what exactly? Sir, are you getting? I hope you're getting actually. Come again. Yeah, let me repeat one more time. Good. Let me repeat actually. A equals to, no worries, please. A, and this is what exactly? Type of A. Type of what exactly? Type of A. What you are getting? Dictionary. Can I say this is the empty dictionary? Good. Now just try to come here. If you wanted to create empty set, what we need to do actually? Something like this. Whenever you are printing empty set, what you are getting actually? Can I say this is the empty set actually? Empty set object. What object actually? Previously, what I told? Did I told anything wrong previously? Okay. Empty set function I might told actually, I guess. Right? It's okay. Ignore. When I told previously set function, I have noticed your face feeling actually. How you kept your face, very serious actually. Right. There are few members. It's okay, cool. Now keep in mind this point. I do have a set of value 10, 20, 30. Let me clear all values. A dot clear. A dot what exactly? Clear. Clear in the sense it will remove all values, sir. Something like a clean and clear shampoo. What shampoo actually? The advertisement will be dandruff will be gone. But actually telling, will it be gone actually? No, sir. Now here, clear is a method. It will remove all values actually. Once it is remove all values, then empty set is available. What is available? Empty set representation will be set of parentheses. Set of what exactly? That's what I'm telling. Are you getting what I'm telling? Now run this example. I hope you can understand this point very well actually. Are you getting, sir? Good. Very nice. Every example you need to practice like this. Cool. Next one, membership operator. Membership operator, we already know, man. By using this operator, we can find the specific value existing in set data structure or not actually. S equals to 1, 2, 3. And print of yes, print of 1 in yes. Z in 1 in yes. 1. Yes, it is available. What is the result? True. Z in yes, not available, man. What is the result? False. Sorry, I'm not executing. These are all easy examples. Set comprehension. What is the next one? Sir, damn sure interview question. Keep in mind one point actually. Let me tell you what are all comprehensions. First of all, I hope I already covered this topic actually. When I covered, any idea? Yeah, comprehension syntax. Right, good. List comprehension. First point, it is possible. It gives the result is list. Result is what exactly? List. I'm repeating again. Whenever if you want, you can work with list comprehension. First of all, list comprehension syntax is a possible. Whenever you are applying list comprehension syntax, the result is what data structure? List data structure. Yeah, good. And next one will be, what is the next one? Tell me. Tuple comprehension. Hold on. Let us add 4 actually. Let us what exactly? 4. Good. Sir. Now, as of now, second, third, fourth. What is the second data structure? Tell me. Tuple data structure. Sir, tuple data structure is what exactly? You can ignore this point as of now. And now you can cut this one, paste here actually. There is a reason. Why I'm telling this one, there is a reason actually. And now you can make it, this one is a 2 and 3. What is the next one, sir? Set comprehension. Possible return type is the set. No doubt at all. Dictionary comprehension. What is the next one? Dictionary comprehension. Possible return type is what exactly? Dictionary. Come on. I'm repeating one more time. Comprehension syntax, you can apply. Over the 4 data structures, you can apply. If you want, you can apply. List you can apply. Tuple you can apply. Hold on. Tuple you can apply. Set you can apply. Dictionary you can apply. If you are applying list comprehension syntax, then the result is a list. Result is what exactly? Sir, I'm sorry. If you wanted to understand my discussion, first of all, you should know what is a comprehension. Previously, I hope I have given left and right actually. What is a comprehension? Am I right or not, sir? So if you understand that day topic, then the today discussion you will understand. List comprehension, result type is a list. Tell me, set comprehension, result type is a set. Dictionary comprehension, result type is what exactly? Dictionary. Good. Now you need to understand, tuple comprehension. First of all, let me tell you, possible. The result is what exactly? Not a tuple. That point you need to understand. Hey, tuple comprehension syntax. Can I apply actually? You can apply, sir. No worries actually. If you want, it is possible. Possible in the sense syntactical you can apply. But how list comprehension result type is a list? Dictionary comprehension result type is what exactly? Dictionary. And but tuple comprehension result is what exactly? Not a tuple. Then what is the result? You know, anyone having any idea? Generator. What is the topic name actually? Generator. There is a separate topic. Generator, decorator. These are all things I can cover later actually. That's that too. This is not that much important, right? Where exactly I will cover this point, you know, data analysis. Where exactly I will cover? You are thinking everything you are covering data analysis. Will you really cover? Sir, I will cover, sir. Keep hold actually, please. Trust me, I will cover. I hope you are having that trust actually. Now today, let me continue set comprehension syntax. What syntax actually, sir? Set comprehension syntax. It's a very simple. But are we using this one in a real time? No, we are not using. Out of all comprehension, this one is important, man. Very, very important, boss. This one is also very, very important. Set is not important. Tuple one time we are using. I will tell you. There is a one time we are using actually. I will tell you when we are using. Tuple comprehension. Syntax is possible, but the result is what exactly? Not a tuple. Result is a generator. One more time. Generator. What is a generator? I can cover tell. Yeah. As usual, let me talk with online team. Online team, are you getting, sir? Online team, can I get a response, please? Very quickly. Minimum 10 members. Yeah. As usual, LH is equals to RHS. LHS equals to what exactly? If anyone knows about this one, same copy paste, list comprehension. But only symbols change. What change actually? Symbols change. Good. LHS means variable name we need to provide. What we need to provide? Variable name equals to. And in a list comprehension, we need to provide square brackets. What we need to provide, sir? But in a set comprehension, we need to provide curly brace. We need to provide curly brace. Here, part number one, I mean to say that here we are going to write a syntax part number one, syntax part number two, syntax part number three. Comprehension syntax, frankly speaking, the way how I am explaining, you can feel very easy. But the same topic you cannot understand from the YouTube, from the Google actually. But this is a very literally complex topics. Complex topic, I'm making very easy actually. Please focus. Left hand side, name of the variable you need to provide. Right hand side, this is the syntax you need to provide. Yeah, now I need a response from you. Part number one, anyone having any idea? Very good, man. Variable or expression. Part number two, yeah, very good. For loop with what exactly? Sequence. For loop with what exactly? Wherever for came, automatically sequence will come. But I hope you know need to remember. Part number three. What is the part number three, sir? Condition. But you know what? This is what exactly? Optional. Means not a mandatory. Same thing. Same thing like a, you know, tell me, sir. List comprehension. Take the same thing. Here, what I need to add here actually? Variable or expression. What I need to add here, sir? Part number two. And what I need to add here? Condition. Something like this. Condition. That's why this is called as a that's why this is called as a comprehension. What is the syntax name? In our childhood, something like 8th standard or 9th standard, I still remember. Kindly please write a comprehension syntax, comprehension essay writing, or the Mother Teresa, Wonder Woman. These are all things actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Comprehension means such a long paragraph you need to write actually. Observe the syntax. Syntax looks like a long paragraph actually. Started from Amirpet. This is a Kokotpalli turning actually. Are you guys getting or not, sir? Yeah, the long, very long syntax. Let me apply. Let me show you what exactly this one. The same example I would like to take because we are not using in real time actually. Let me take the same example. I need your help. Input equals to 1 minute. Let me tell you one point. I'm planning to take this one 10, 20, 30, 40. But why I have given pause, you know, input. Can I take input equals to 10, 20, 30, 40? Tell me. Can I take? Sir, you can take, but not recommended. You can take Like a variable name is what exactly? Input. Why it is not recommended, sir? In Python, there is a predefined function. Predefined function name is a input actual. Don't take predefined function names as a name of the variables. I'm requesting. Are you getting what I'm saying? Don't take predefined function names as what exactly? Variable. You can, if you want, still you can take. Not recommended actually. Not recommended. Let me show you practically. Print equals to 10. Print equals to what exactly? I'm sorry for laughing. Good. Let me print of A, sir. Then what is output actually? Tell me. 10. Very good. Instead of A, let me give here what exactly? Print. Name of the function is what exactly? Print. Let me take this one. Now check the output actually. Int object is not what exactly? Callable. Sir, 1 minute. Let us just try to take it input. Hold on. There is a reason. Let us just try to take here is what exactly? Input actually. Now execute this example. You are getting the output actually. You are getting what exactly? But you should not take. Once you get a job, whenever you are creating a variable in your project actually, if you are giving variable name as a input actually, immediately your colleague will ask, who is your trainer actually? Are you getting or not, sir? Then immediately your colleague will scold me. Who is the idiot who trained you? Something like that, actual, right? I don't want to take scolding, sir. I hope you got it. But not recommended. Come on, come on. Now let me take values. Sir, what is expected result I'm expecting? The result should be something like a add a value. Sorry, man. Add a value. Plus 2 you can add actually. Can somebody help me? Result equals to. Tell me, sir. 12, 22, 32, 42. 42. Yeah, this we can achieve. Result is valid only, right? Yeah, this we can achieve by using set comprehension. What comprehension? Set comprehension, right? Good. How to apply set comprehension syntax? Last 5 minutes. The session goes last 5 minutes. The result equals to, as usual, part number 1. Next one is part number 2. Next one is part number 3. Cool. Now part number 3 is an optional as of now. Sir, I hope you already know. This is the set comprehension syntax. What syntax? Comprehension syntax always starts from part 2. Very good, sir. Always starts from what exactly? Part 2. Those who prepared very well, they are responding very nicely. Yeah, part 2. For value in values. Value in what exactly? Values. Who are all likes for loop very well, immediately there may be a chance they can provide indentation. These are, don't provide, sir, please. I know very well you like the for loop very well. This is the part number 2. And what is the name of the variable? Tell me. Value. Take the same value here. With this variable, create an expression. Create what exactly? Expression. Done. Your requirement is done actually. That much very simple. Just a matter of one line, sir. But if set comparison is not available, minimum you need to write 3 lines of the code. How many lines of the code? 3 lines. You need to iterate each and every value by using a for loop. You need to add extra value. Then again, you need to add all these results into new set data structure. Instead of that one, what we can do, you can go for the set comprehension. You can go for what comprehension? Set comprehension. Now let us just try to print. What is the first one? Values. What is the second one? Sir, did you remember? What is the difference between list comprehension and set comprehension? Only braces. Only what exactly? Sir, am I right or not, sir? Good. Now execute this example. Cool. Very easy. Yeah, you can just try to check it out. Sir, why not 12, 22, 32, 42? Yeah, insertion notice. What exactly? Not fixed. Sir, you know what? We done set data structure also. All right. Set comprehension represents creating a new set from iterable object like a set, like a list, set, tuple, dictionary, and range. Set comprehension code is a very concise way. Concise means very short and sweet and short actually. Yeah. So I would like to say part number 1, variable or expression. Part number 2, for loop actually. Sir, generally for your better understanding, I'm writing syntax like this, but in real time, this much long space is not recommended. Just try to provide only small space actually. But if you wanted to read that line, from where you need to start actually, tell me. For value in values, then value plus 2. From here you need to start actually. Part number 3 is not important. Remove duplicates in a list element. The last example we can close the discussion. Seriously, did I explain speed? Did I explain very fast? No, right? Are you getting? Good. Yeah. Remove duplicates in a list data structure. This is the last example. Then we can close. You know, come here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 10, 10, 10, something like this. Let it just try to print this value. You may ask a question, hello Daniel, I just wanted to remove all duplicates. I mean, I need only one value. I need only what exactly? One value. Otherwise, from this duplicate of list of value, I need a unique value. So I need what exactly, sir? Unique. It's a very simple. What you need to do, just try to result. Just what we can do, set off. Here you need to provide. Done, sir. Your task is done. Now you will get a unique values. You will get what values actually? Just try to say. How to remove duplicates from a list? Important interview question. Just you need to use a set function. What function, sir? Set function. Try to use a predefined function. Very good. We done this topic also. Seriously, very good. Now we done for today's session also. Tomorrow, the topic starting only data structure. Tomorrow exactly 5:30 I will start. If you are missing first to 2 minutes discussion, I'm sorry, you cannot understand total session. If you are missing first 2 minute session, why? Because 2 minutes is very, very important. I will say good evening actually. Are you getting? Very, very important, sir. Don't miss that one. I will give a small fundamental before explaining about the dictionary. And in Python, there are two more topics. One is the dictionary. Next one is the object-oriented programming. Once after we done this, then immediately we are entering into data analysis part. What part actually? Data analysis part. A kind of some real-time scenarios, real-time projects will enter actually. Let me upload running notes. Let me, I hope I already uploaded material. Am I right or not, sir? Only, only running notes is pending. Let me upload that. Online team, we done for today's session, sir. Yeah, both are same, sir. Mm, I have uploaded, sir. Good. Can I take it 2 minutes? Huh? Yeah, I will take it 2 minutes and a dictionary object-oriented programming. So nothing is there. I would like to cover just a few points actually. The very first point. Let me wish you. And second one, I believe what I done yesterday, I will explain. I was few guys texted me, but I was unable to respond at right time. And yeah, and at last calendar plan. Good. So these are all 3 points I will cover. So the very first point will be, I'm sure, I'm sorry for late wish actually. Wish you happy new year to everyone. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. And regarding yesterday, what I done, yesterday completely, I'm a Christian. I went to church actually. The whole day I spent at church only. When I'm going to the church, I carry one January 1st exactly. I used to carry one diary. What is that one, sir? Why I will carry, you can't believe the total next 2024 total 12 months plan I prepared actually. Plan in the sense what I supposed to do. I do have a very good, vision about my career. What about you actually? How to prepare your plan? I do have a plan like, exactly on March 1st, what I need to do. I do have a plan in my calendar actually. Ensure that your time you have to utilize, sir. Everyone having the 24 hours, you have to utilize that. You need to learn how to utilize. That is the first point. I'm sorry. Am I disturbing you? No, right? Prepare, plan from yourself actually. That's what yesterday, the completely I spent, with my total family. Next one, calendar plan. Sir, you know what? We are all very happy. Like we are entering into the new year. We are entering into what exactly? But let me tell you the, fact actually. Just the calendar changed. I don't want calendar change. I need life change actually. I need what exactly? That point you need to catch. Calendar next year also it will change, sir. Papers are changing. That's it actually. But I don't want that. Keep in mind that life supposed to change. What's supposed to change? Your habits supposed to be changed. Your thinking supposed to be changed. Your vision supposed to be changed. Habit in the sense, I don't know till now what kind of habits you do have. If you are really having the good one, you can keep continue. If you don't have a good one, keep continue. I mean to say that keep alternative. You have to prepare all your good thoughts actually. Prepare a plan. Do for more practice actually. Sir, I'm repeating. I'm sure 2023 your best destination is what exactly? Learning data science or joining Daniel sir? Come on, I know the biscuit actually. Yeah, let me tell you. I'm sure 2024 everyone should get a job, man. Let me bless you. May God bless you with a good job actually. I hope that depends upon your hand only. That depends upon what exactly? Your hand only. Uh, do- Whenever you're looking at me, I would like to tell one point actually. Look at my hard work, how much I have done, sir, please. When I'm looking at Naresh sir actually, I will look at Naresh sir, how much hard work he done actually. You know about our boss actually? Naresh IT Institute owner is a Naresh sir actually. Oh my God. Every week we do have a meeting. Sir always will tell one point, man. Give the best. Only one point. Sir never told any other thing actually. And that too, I forget to tell one point. What is that point, Exactly by this today at Naresh IT, successfully I have done 1 year. Successfully I have done what exactly? Thank you. Thank you for this one. Uh, Prior to Naresh IT is seriously superb, man. In 2023, I have taken the best decision. That decision is what exactly? Joining at Naresh IT as a trainer. Let me give a small 2 minutes. Before Naresh IT, even I used to deliver the sessions in Bangalore and at the same time in different locations also. I used to take a virtual session. Basically, I do have a good sound experience, almost 8 years of experience in a teaching actually. And almost 6.5 years, I worked in a Bangalore location, like a teaching platform. And when I was working in a teaching in a Bangalore location, Frank, sorry for saying this point actually, except Naresh Shetty, other institutes, they will force the faculties to close the syllabus quickly. To close syllabus, what exactly? They will run behind with the faculty. Hey man, you already shorted the batch. Where are you? What is your syllabus? Where are you? Something like that actually. But trust me, man, I don't want to close the syllabus. I mean to say, have you seen any time tension in my face actually? Syllabus is not moving, syllabus is not moving, something like that actually. I won't like actually. Then I told to management when I was working in a Bangalore, a different I don't want to reveal the institute name actually. I told sir, please, I don't want to skip any topic, but I need students better career means good subject is required. It take 1 week extra, 2 weeks extra, something like that. Then they terminated me, man. They removed me. It's okay. We don't want faculty like you actually. Seriously. Then when I was leaving that job, I literally feel, "Arey man, I like teaching very well." I told, sir, please don't remove me. I requested actually. They told, no, no. We got another trainer, Sorry for saying, I lost trainer job, not IT job, man. What job actually? But let me tell you, I have a confidence. I have what exactly? I didn't give up actually. It's okay. Exactly, when they removed me, almost 6 months I waited actually. That too, mine is a work from home, permanent work from home. I used to take a virtual session during Corona time, and almost 9 months gap I got it for my teaching. Then I was staying in a Vijayawada location. Are you feeling boring? Can I close the session? Just give me last 1 minute. I was in Vijayawada location, and in Vijayawada, basically I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I was staying in Vijayawada, like a permanent work from home, right? One day I went to again. I'm unable to sit ideal actually. A trainer cannot sit ideal. A trainer, my body is not cooperating with me actually. Man, I need to share the subject. Whenever you are learning the subject, the interest will be share the subject. Then you can feel really awesome actually. I went into one institute in Vijayawada location. Institute name is called as a. Let me stop the recording. I should not reveal